Now we are going to install Bootstrap in our Next.js application. So first of all, go to Google and type install Bootstrap. Go to the link which says download Bootstrap 5. Scroll down. You will find an npm command that says npm install Bootstrap. Copy this and now go to your Visual Studio Code. Stop the project. Clear the terminal, or you can let it be. Paste the command that you have copied from the official website, npm install Bootstrap, or you can simply type that and click on enter. Now Bootstrap has been installed. You can verify it by going through package.json file. You can see the Bootstrap version 5 has been installed now. Now go to your _app.js file inside src under pages. Open this file. Here import Bootstrap. Using import bootstrap /dist/bootstrap.css. This will import Bootstrap CSS. Now to install Bootstrap JavaScript files, inside your component, use effect. If it is not automatically imported, import it from React. Now inside our use effect, create a use effect with no dependencies. This will only invoke the use effect once when the component is being rendered for the first time. Now over here, when we have our DOM initialized, at that time we'll use bootstrap dist/js/bootstrap.bundle. This will import JavaScript files in our Next.js applications. This is all done. Now just in case we need to verify that the Bootstrap installation is working perfectly fine, let's start our project once again using npm run dev. So our project is running. Let's check that again in our browser. So our browser has no error. Let's confirm it through inspect element, and the application is working fine. Let's see if we can use Bootstrap in our application by testing some functionalities from Bootstrap 5. Let's go to layout and check for container. As you can see, it says that you have to use container class in order to use it from Bootstrap 5. So copy it, or you can type it directly. Now let's go to our Visual Studio Code. Let's go over here and check our components inside it, which we have created layout.jsx file. Let's create a React functional component. I am using the extension that I've installed to autocomplete my React function creation. If you don't have this extension, you can simply use export default function and the function name, that is layout, and then create a function that creates JSX element over here. Let's use class name is equals to and use container. Similarly over here, we'll be passing the children and rendering same inside our layout. Once this is done, save it. Let's go to our app.js. Import the layout over here from our components file. Let's wrap our root component inside the layout. This will wrap our components inside the layout. Let's save it and verify if we have the Bootstrap 5 container over our layout by inspecting the browser. So inside the browser, let's go and inspect. Let's go to body. Inside it, we have __ next, but we don't have any child element. So let's create a demo child element. Go to our Visual Studio Code. Here go to index.js. Let's add a sample child element. Let's create an h1 element and enter test as an input right now and save it. Let's check the browser for the result. So I don't see the result over here. Let's check out why. So in our _app.js, we have made a mistake, that is we have placed a semicolon right after the return, which is wrong. Let's wrap this inside a bracket and now save this. So we have our h1 element right over here. Let's inspect it. When we inspect it and go to our container, you can see that the container.scss file is coming right from the Bootstrap. So our Bootstrap is working perfectly fine. So let's now move on to the next step, that is installing socket.io, and see you in the next video.